Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sorry this video is uploaded a little late. I took a week off to recover after being sick, which meant heaps of work to come back to and catch up on. We'll be back to our regular schedule this week though, so don't you worry. So today's video is a 40cm square piece we poured during a beginner's workshop. You can see the board had already been worked on. It also included some stones in the previous layer, something that I personally would not use, but it ended up working quite well with the new layer. During this workshop we used uresin liquid glass and a range of pigments which have been listed in the description box below. We've sped up the mixing and the heating processes and left the pouring in real time, so you can see exactly how we pour. One of the best techniques to achieving lacing is heating and tilting, which you'll notice quite a bit throughout this video. We also like to layer our pigments as this helps create more depth and dimension in the piece. Briefly used a heat gun, but personally I feel a butane torch works much better and offers more control when it comes to moving the resin. We finished up by touching up the sides of the board before leaving it to cure. All the products used in today's video can be found in the description and are all available on our website at uresin.com.au. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. Until the next one.